Welcome to the vibrant world of No Book Day at Velammal Vidhyashram School, where learning takes a different form and creativity knows no bounds.
Okay.
Today, our students immersed themselves in a spectrum of activities celebrating the knowledge beyond textbooks. In the colorful corners, students expressed their artistic flair through vibrant hues, celebrating the joy of creation through art and coloring. Amidst statistic, maneuver, and tactical brilliance, minds clashed over chess and carom board, honing critical thinking and sportsmanship in friendly competition, transforming our classroom into a cinematic haven. Students experienced the magic of storytelling on the big screen, where laughter and wow echoed through the hall. From the martial arts judo to the rhythmic beats of a traditional and contemporary dances, talent shone brightly. Karate and Silambam displayed discipline and skill, while soulful solo performance and intricate group dance captivated hearts. Bharatanatyam and Western dance blended cultures with grace, creating the moment of cheer, beauty, and expression. Today, No Book Day reminds us that learning isn't confined to pages and chapters. It is a journey of exploration, creativity, and discovery. Here's to celebrating knowledge in all its form and embracing the joy of learning beyond the books.